5 times nature made us scream wow. Nature never fails to amaze us. For instance, an insect that's been buried in amber for millions of years, an entire area swallowed in ice, or an astonishing natural phenomenon that is very rare. You can witness such atmospheric phenomenons only once in your lifetime. Fortunately for us, some photography lovers have managed to capture these unusual sights and shared their discoveries with the rest of the world. Through these photos, we can also see views that we might never see in our lives. 1. Lenticular clouds. These lens-shaped clouds are formed where stable, moist air flows over a range of mountains. Whenever this happens, a series of large-scale standing waves may form on the downside of mountains. When the temperature of the crest of waves drops to a dew point, lenticular clouds are formed due to the condensed moisture in the air. When the moist air moves back down in the wave's trough, the clouds are evaporated back into vapor. Thus, lenticular clouds appear and disappear very quickly. Mostly, people living in low-lying and flat terrain are not familiar with lenticular clouds. However, lenticular clouds are also formed in no-mountain areas due to sheer winds created by a front. 2. Grandmother baobab. A giant baobab tree, also known as grandmother baobab, is located in Simanam-Pesota National Park in southwestern Madagascar, which is a national park situated 90 kilometers south of Chulia. Grandmother baobab is the oldest baobab tree of Madagascar. That is 1,650 years old. 3. Red crab migration. On Christmas, people from all over the world gather to watch the red crab migration every year. This Christmas Island red crab is one of the most common 14 land crab species found on Christmas Island. According to an estimate, more than 50 million of such bright red crabs live in shady sites all over Christmas Island. If you also want to see them, you must know their possible spawning dates for the current year. Possible spawning dates left for 2020 are the 9th to the 11th of December. However, possible spawning dates for the next year are the 28th to the 30th of November or 28th to 30th of December. Red crab migration usually starts about 4 to 5 weeks before these spawning dates and is mostly triggered by suitable rain. 4. Aurora borealis. This aurora borealis are the lights that show up at night when the sky is very dark. It's a natural phenomenon that cannot be taken for granted. Well, you can still experience this magical light in northern Norway during the polar night. Believe us, seeing the aurora borealis is such a magical experience that will stay alongside you for the rest of your life. 5. Fingal's Cave. It is a sea cave on the island of Staffa in the Hebrides of Scotland, which is known for its natural acoustics. This National Park Trust of Scotland owns a cave as part of the natural reserve. This stunning geometric cave has inspired visitors from Jules Verne to Pink Floyd.